Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about Active Window Actor and why you need it. As you can see, there are a lot of predefined actions, approximately 45. And of course, it can be difficult to memorize all shortcuts for all these actions. And to be honest, you don't need it. If you don't use action very often, why do you have to remember all hotkeys, right? That's why an active window actor, the window with a fuzzy search of actions, can be extremely helpful. Let me show what is it. So, go to the Active Window Actor tab and first of all set up shortcuts for the activation of Window Actor. There is a default value, Ctrl-Command-Z. I will leave that value. You can change it if you want. Now, if to activate any window and press Ctrl-Command-Z, Window Actor will appear. There are some actions here, but not all. To find the needed action, use fuzzy search. How it works. Each action has a short and full name. Start typing the short text. For example, I want to find top left 8 or center third. Also here. So, or maximize or top left 6. You can easily change short and long texts. For example, I want to number all 6. Let's do it. For top left 6, it will be S1. Top center 6, S2. Top right 6, 3. Bottom left 6, S4. Bottom center 6, S5. And finally bottom right 6, S6. Okay. Then go back and call top left 6 or top center 6 or top right 6 or again S4 for bottom left 6, S5 for example for bottom center 6. Okay? Generally speaking, you don't have to use short text at all. Just start typing a word that is exactly in the long text. For example, I want to type 8, and here we are. We can see all 8 positions at the beginning of the list with results. Choose which you want. And the last thing I wanted to tell you in this video is about this setting, subsequent use of activate hotkeys. Here you have to decide which action will be performed with the window actor when it's unfocused, and you press activate hotkeys again. Let me show you. I choose the first option, close window. Then I activate window actor. Then somehow my window actor loses focus. It can happen. And now, if I press again activation hotkeys, Ctrl-Command-Z, window actor will be closed. Now, I choose the second option, activate window. Then I again activate window actor. If my window actor loses focus, then the repeated press of activation hotkeys will activate window actor again. You can also set here the hotkeys by which the window actor will be closed. Default shortcuts are Command Control Shift Z, and now it can work like this. Activation, lost focus, Control Command Z, activation, then again lost focus, and Control Command Shift Z, the window is closed. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.